What happens after a massive 9.8-meter python reaches a modern leather factory? How is its beautiful patterned skin carefully
All right, everyone, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Heavy, watch your footing. It's clear. Slamming the door now.
The python, all 9.8 meters of it, secured in its crate. Once the final straps are checked, this heavy haul begins its journey to the processing facility. Skin quality is superb. The scales are smooth and the pigmentation is vibrant. We can approve this one.
The temperature is stable at 35 degrees.
Thumb sides.
Good, the timer shows 4 hours remaining.
The python skins are submerged in a premium black dye solution, ensuring even penetration as the large stainless steel drum rotates slowly.
As the rollers apply the special oils, the hide becomes incredibly supple. This is our premium line.
It feels perfect. The quality is very high.
This is excellent material.
Yeah. The finest we've seen today.
The quality report is confirmed. It's a pass.
Now, python leather belt strips go into a splitting machine where their thickness is equalized throughout the length. The machine very precise.
After this, premium cowhide leather lining is applied to the back of the python leather belt strips with a special industrial adhesive. Now the belt strips are fed into the fine edge shaping machine. The machine gives the edges a round. The cycle count is complete, and the locking mechanism is still perfectly smooth. Noted. Finalizing the report now.
bring it back slowly. Okay, start moving those boxes to the belt now. We need to clear this shipment. Careful with that pallet. Bring it to the back.
This one goes to Miami.
This shipment here is the Python leather.
Excellent. Bring it right over to the receiving area. Thank you both.
Here is your Python leather belt. Thank you for shopping with us. It's beautiful. Thank you.
This ivory one is absolutely stunning. Do you have it in a slightly smaller size?
The craftsmanship on this Python leather is incredible.
It really elevates the outfit, doesn't it?
Absolutely worth the investment.
From a single exquisite belt to a global operation, our commitment to luxury craftsmanship reaches the world.
See how the scales gradient right here? This is the distinct pattern we need.
Yes, placing the cut here ensures uniqueness for the luxury belt.
Now each Python leather belt is placed in a soft velvet sleeve. Caucasian female employees carefully fold it.
Set it down slowly.
Aligned. Inventory updated for the Python shipment.
Documents are all set. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, officer.
Looks good, locks engaged. Confirmed. Send it up.
Security check complete. Seal is cleared for removal. All right, cutting the seal now. Get the forklift ready. Roger that, bringing it in. Ensure the Tokyo shipment is prioritized on lane 3. Confirmed, rerouting the next batch now. Manifest confirmed for Boston. Tell New York he's clear to roll.
As you can see, the scales are meticulously matched and the buckle is solid sterling silver.
The craftsmanship is truly exceptional. It feels incredible. The stitching here is done by hand, and this buckle is solid brass with a palladium finish. Truly exceptional craftsmanship.
This one features the hand-painted python and solid brass.
And this buckle here, is that the matte finish?
Yes, it complements the denim perfectly.
This brown patina is incredible. The patterned one is definitely me. You can never go wrong with classic black python.
Here is your belt, madam. Checked and carefully packed.
Thank you, it's lovely. Here is your warranty and receipt, madam. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you.
Here is your purchase. We hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
It is beautiful. I'll take this one, please.
The story of craftsmanship extends far beyond this showroom. Join us as we explore the brand's global success.
Angle your hips slightly. Perfect, hold that. Love the texture on the belt. Great shot.
Keep that shallow focus. I want to see the texture of the scales.
Pulling the focus now. How's the exposure on the buckle?
Looks perfect.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
The view from up here is incredible. And the belt is absolutely stunning.
The craftsmanship on this piece is exquisite. Notice the hand-painted edges.
Yeah.
It truly is stunning. Do you have this design in emerald green? Okay, quality approved. We'll take it from here, straight to processing.
Careful with the python leather. Copy that, moving it now.